Hello, beautiful people, and hello to all the parents. So, first, let me tell you about my situation and about myself. So, I've been here in Dubai since June. Probably it's been 6 months. I'm here, looking for a job. I was already here before like 7 years, but really, I'm struggling to find a job. I don't know what is wrong. Uh, I really cannot say, what is going on. What is the issue. So I'm a little bit struggling, and but I didn't give up. You know, uh, and during this time, I thought, why not create something unique, something for my daughter, who is also like like to always watch videos, on the tab and mobiles. So I have created a toddler, milestone busy book for my daughter. So in this video, I'm going to walking through every page of Toddler Milestone Busy book I have designed, and also I'll show you how to get it. As a dad currently away from my 2 years old daughter, I wanted to create something high quality and ink friendly, and something educational. And this is what is it is I have created. In the description, probably you'll get one big or links or Gumroad link in the bio as well. So if you go to the Beacons page, so here is the once you click here, so it will take you to the Gumroad link. So in the Gumroad page, this is my page for my book I have created for my 2 years old daughter. So once you click, I want this. Yeah, so there you can check out. So also I have a discount code called Capital Home. So you get 30% discount with this code, and here's the checkout page. So once you pay, okay, so you will get all the details in your email. Now I'll show you. So now I'll show you what is in the book. So this is total 16 pages, but there is, I think, 13 or 14 activities, different activities for keeping your toddler busy. uh, these are very funny. I don't know, I have done very hard work to create this, even though I didn't have any knowledge of design or something, but I tried hard to create for my daughter. And so this is the first page where you can write your kid's name. This is the cover page, and here is your first page, my happy morning. So you get all the tips under all page, so you know how to do. And there is all different kind of activities, like when wake up from bed, need to mark this area, and brush teeth, mark this area. Once you eat food, mark this area, blah, blah. Then sort by size, match the colors, then find the same. Yeah. So uh, help friends to get home, one and many. So you get all the tips here. So you know what to do, what to ask your child, what your child need to do. Everything is mentioned uh, under the page. Like here, ask your child to circle the side that has many. Like here, this side has many. Point to single object and say one. So this is many and this is one. So how do I feel? So you get tips here. Use the page during big terms when your child is very happy. Help them name their feelings. in the first tip. Yeah, so you get all the tip here. Let's count. So this is for learning 1 2 3 4 5. Then my left and right hand. You know, you get tips. Yeah. Who is hungry? Like this is monkey. What monkey want to eat? Banana. So you get tips here. So first letter is for learning your first ABC. Then find the letter A. So there is lots of mismatch here, and yeah, you, your child need to find A later. Yeah, then your child get a certificate here at last once completed all the pages. So you can write your child's name. You can print it out and keep some receipt in your room. Yeah, so this is all the details what you get, and so you can check in the description or in the bio. So from there you can buy this book and help me to reach my goals. And probably I'll create more and more for my daughter, and also same for other parents. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much.